JB Cocoa of East Java, Indonesia produces cocoa butter, cocoa powder, and cocoa mass from cocoa beans, up to 50,000 tons annually. The process involves grinding of cocoa nibs into a liquor that is compressed to yield cocoa butter and crumbled cocoa press cake. To move the press cake hygienically from bulk bags to storage silos, the company installed a food-grade bulk-out bulk bag discharger from Flexicon, an electric hoist and trolley ride on a cantilevered I-beam, allowing bulk bags to be loaded into the frame without the need for a forklift. To connect a bag, the operator slips the bag straps into 4 Z-clip strap holders on a bag lifting cradle and uses a pendant to hoist the bag into the frame. A teletube telescoping tube raises a spout lock clamp ring that connects to the bag spout and then lowers, maintaining constant downward tension on the bag as it empties and elongates to promote material flow. Additional flow promotion is provided by flow flexor bag activators that raise and lower opposite sides of the bag bottom to promote complete discharge through the bag spout. The surge hopper with top-mounted enclosure is vented to a side-mounted bag vac dust collector that creates negative pressure within the sealed system to prevent displaced air and dust from escaping into the plant environment. A hinged access door and folding bag shelf also allow manual dumping of rework from underfilled sacks. This rotary valve at the hopper outlet meters the press cake into a pneumatic conveying line that moves it to a storage silo for subsequent production of multiple cocoa powder recipes. According to the company, the Flexicon bulk bag discharger provides a safe and hygienic way to unload cocoa cake from bulk bags, ensuring efficient unloading with little to no dust released into the processing environment. See the full line of Flexicon bulk bag dischargers, pneumatic conveying systems, and the entire range of bulk handling equipment at flexicon.com.